मैं हूँ तेजल और मैं आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे शो में जिसका नाम है शॉप गुड टीवी। दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी हेल्प यू बाय गुड। Shop Good TV is all about great brands, innovative products and expert advice. और ये एक ऐसा मंच है जहाँ हम बायर्स और सेलर्स दोनों को खुशी बांटते हैं। सेलर्स को इसलिए खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि वो उनका प्रोडक्ट लोगों तक पहुँचा पाते हैं और बायर्स को इसलिए खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि वो यही सब प्रोडक्ट्स कम और अपनी जेब की ज्यादा चिंता किए बगैर खरीद पाते हैं। अब ये हुई ना दोस्तों विन विन सिचुएशन। ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम एसेंशियल से लेकर लग्जरी आइटम्स तक सभी कुछ आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं। आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा स्पेशल होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हमारे पास कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है आपको दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन आज हमारे पास एक बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल गेस्ट आए हुए हैं या एक्सपर्ट कह लीजिए। तो थोड़ा सा भी वक्त जाया किए बगैर चलिए सुनते हैं हमारे आज के एक्सपर्ट्स को क्या कहना है।
Now that we are familiar with the concept of shopping online and everything there are still a lot of things which are unnoticed, a lot of problems that are unaddressed. But as we all know, the word problems comes with solutions. And that is the reason today we have someone who can provide us with some innovative solutions. So please welcome the CEO of Neonic Software Solutions Private Limited. अब नाम में ही सॉल्यूशंस आता है इनकी कंपनी में, तो क्या ही बोले, बस प्रॉब्लम बताने की देरी है एंड यू हैव द सॉल्यूशन। तो प्लीज वेलकम अरुण आर.एस. चंद्रन सर। सर, वी आर ऑनर्ड टू हैव यू ऑन आवर शो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you, Tejal. Thank you very much.
So sir, my first question to you is, what exact services does your company provide?
We are a software solutions company, so we provide all kind of software development services like building websites, e-commerce websites, and moreover our extreme focus is given to enterprise architecture, where a business starts their business and they don't know what are all the technical things they need to take up in their business to grow into the heights. So we build enterprise architecture solutions for them, and we decide them when to choose what software kind of solutions, whether they need to build a mobile application or a website or just a WhatsApp number is enough, or something like do you need to do extensive digital marketing or not. All these things, strategy building, we have been providing to all the enterprises. So we are serving across regions like India, USA, UK, France, and in Middle East and in African countries. We have our client presence right now.
That's great, sir. That's amazing. So my second question is, what do you think, what challenges is one facing with the changes that have happened, especially considering the digital side today?
Okay, so this is not a challenge, these are solutions here. So let's look into the positive side of it. There is no problems actually. So each challenges when you meet, those challenges are converting into opportunities. So right now we have built a platform where a small shop can quickly make their e-commerce website, where the lockdown happened. So everybody was easily making their e-commerce website and just receiving the orders through that. So if we thought about that, oh, it's lockdown, it's a challenge, so we cannot do anything over here, rather than doing that way, we thought like, okay, let's help on a low cost. Anybody can build an e-commerce website within some 2-3 days of time, or maximum 1 week if it's a custom design. So that kind of a solution was provided to the business owners, which helped them to easily bring their business online. So it works in a hyper local area. So there is a challenge on the cash flow, because the people are trying to save money for the future. At this time they want to think, but the things will change as soon as this corona goes out of our country. Like, so there is not only problems, there are solutions for it. So each problem gives you a solution, and that solutions make our world better than yesterday, right?
Yes, sir. Sure. That's great. Sir, what changes have you observed before the pandemic, and what are the changes which are happening now?
Right now most of the people are interested to move to the online, so otherwise we would have been right now meeting each other in a physical space and recording this video, right? So
Right.
we moved into the digital field, so we are recording it in the comfort of our office or in home. We can meet online from anywhere and anytime it is possible. So those kind of digital moving, that is most of the changes happens in that field. Any business, they want to represent their business into the digital media world. And even we never believed that we could run the online classes and make a graduation. Now BTech, MCA, MBA, all the graduations for past 2 years is happening from home. It's not from the college. They just, for the namesake, they take the admission in the college, and we work from their not work. They are actually learning from their home, and they are getting ample amount of time. One more thing which I want to add on to it: people learn to live with less money now. So there is actually not too much money we need to have to spend our luxury life, right? So when there was a luxury life in the earlier days, every malls, every cine houses, everything was open. So we were in a spending mode. Now people mindset have changed to saving mode. So now we know, like, we don't need too much of money to live from our home. So when this money requirement comes is when we are reaching out to some place, we are away from our home, and all these kind of things requires money. So finance was a big trouble there. So people who learn to manage this pandemic situation, how they can live with a less amount of money, that make a lot of changes. That is like a lot of wealth is getting created in our country. So whoever understand that wealth is already created, all these wealth is going to be coming out to the market in the future. Like when this pandemic is over, the new things will be coming, and the opportunities are more for you and me.
That's great, sir. What a valid point this was. It's great. It's great. We sure should have some great opportunities in future. And with that, I have the last question. What unique things have you included in your company, and what different things one can look up to in the coming days?
Okay, so there are a lot of tech companies. What makes us different is most of the companies go with the technology to the business. So we go with the business and choose the technology later. So like, we don't build a technology around something and we say we have the technology, you just buy it. That is not the way we are doing. We just sit with them, analyze their business, what are all the actual problems or challenges they are facing. We take that into account. We figure out a solution by sitting with them, not like we move away from them and making a solution and giving it to them. So directly we are experimenting what are all the solutions which are going to work. So the expense, the cost of implementation in the beginning time will be very less for them to start with their business, to start solving the problems using the digitalization. So we do all the automation of an office activities. So like the procurement, payment, and customer management, CRM, all these kind of things we make. But if you think a restaurant solution will not work for a supermarket, it will not be easily fit for the supermarket. So restaurant customer base, that CRM should work in a different way. A supermarket CRM should work in a different way, right? So we don't make a common solution for everyone. We make a solution for them. So it's dedicatedly for them. So right now we have a product which is working for the distributor industry. It's a billing software. When someone looks into it, it's a simple billing software, but it's much beyond that. It has a lot of backend systems, reports. It gives them their business value, business health, which customer is better for them, which product they can sell. But this is simply we have created for the wholesale distributors and wholesale retailers business. So that is how we manage our business and our team. if we look into our team, I have 15 plus years of experience in the technological field, and my partner and my wife, Arsha Arun. So she also have completed her MCA, and she started the Neonic Software Solutions in the beginning. I later joined as part of the company. So she was trying to make my dream come true. Like, she didn't go for any other job. She just started the organization. And then later, our friend Guru Mutt, he's from Karnataka. He completed his engineering graduation from Manipal Institute of Technology, and after that he worked in different organizations, and he joined with us in the organization. And there is another person called Vijay George Kurula. So he is one of the guy who actually worked in the initial days of Bharti Walmart retailers. So that came into India. He was working with the Rajan Mittal and all those kind of high-end people, and he still have a great personality, and he's a mentor in our organization. So whatever the challenges comes in, our team is capable to take care of it. We all have versatile experience in different industries, so that helps our company to grow in a better shape, right? And we build our team by training them for at least 1 year in the team members, and they know what to do in the industry. So that is how our team is getting built, and that capability is provided to our customers for a super software solutions or digital solutions platform we can build for them. Hope that helps.
That's great. Of course, it will, I'm sure. And we have great expertise with us today, and it's great. I mean, your company, SureShot, is a unique one, and it's different in its own way. I wish you all the very best for all your future projects. Thank you so much for coming. The session was very insightful, and this was an eye-opener for every vendor out there, especially considering ShopGood TV, which is the platform developed for the same purpose. This is a milestone. Thanks a lot for gracing our show with your presence.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Teja.
Thank you.
ShopGood TV is associated with www.prakul.com और आज तक हमने जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए हैं आपको ShopGood TV पे, वो सभी www.prakul.com पर अवेलेबल है. What exactly is Prakul? So let me tell you, in these tough times, we all are having a tough job to do, right? But anyhow, shopping is mandatory. It can be of essential items or non-essentials, but we do shop, right? What if I tell you, by shopping from our website, that is www.prakul.com, whenever you purchase a product, you are actually helping a woman and her family to survive. Yes, you heard it right. www.prakul.com is the site which is run by 99% of women entrepreneurs. The main motto of the site is to empower women and to make them financially independent. This is something unique, isn't it? While fulfilling our needs, we are helping some women fulfill their needs too. So that is what makes Prakul and ShopGood TV unique of all. We also have a Samyojika scheme under Prakul, so if you wish to earn profits just by sitting at your house, then we have this Samyojika scheme especially for you all. All the links will be placed in the description box below. And if you are a brand owner and you wish to showcase your product and are in search of a platform, then ShopGood TV undoubtedly is the right platform for you all. You can mail us at shopgoodtv@gmail.com. And with this, we conclude today's Bang On episode. और ऐसे ही कमाल के वीडियोस अगर आपको चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. तो मिलते हैं अगले ऐसे ही मजेदार वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए दिस इज तेजल साइनिंग ऑफ.